of weeks ago, someone in the Ultimate Support Group for Online Tutors on Facebook asked, how am I always able to look at the camera when I'm creating a video? And in this video, I'm going to share my secret tools with you. My name is Joanne Kaminsky, and I'm the creator of the Ultimate Support Group for Online Tutors on Facebook. And hey, if you haven't joined us yet over there, make sure you do that. It's a place where you can connect with other online tutors that are starting or growing their online tutoring business. You can ask questions and get support. Now, each Tuesday, I release a new video about a tool that I love. So if you like these videos, hit subscribe and a little bell so that you can be notified when the next one comes out. Now, when I first started creating videos, it always looked like I was looking down. I had people tell me I needed to look at the camera. So I started speaking from the heart and looking directly at the camera. But it took me a really long time to get any good takes because I kept messing up. And while you can edit some of these things out, it looks glitchy if you have too many cuts. So this was not an ideal situation for me. So I began writing a script and then ditching the script. So I'd practice it until I felt comfortable, and then I would tape. I still had some errors and would need to edit some things out. Now, in the beginning, this was how I made all of my videos. And then I went to a professional studio. I had won some studio time in San Diego, and when I got there, the guy that was shooting the videos asked me for my scripts. I told him they were in my head, and he kind of rolled his eyes. I spoke from the heart, and I put out some pretty good videos. But the experience got me thinking in a whole new way. I thought to myself, you mean I could create the script of what I'm going to say and then upload it to a teleprompter? Interesting. I mean, I had heard of a teleprompter, but I had no idea that people use them for this kind of thing. And I found Teleprompter Lite on my phone. And I liked this because I didn't have to purchase it to try it out. So I downloaded it and have been using it ever since. Now, we're going to go over some of the features of this amazing app, how it works, and how I've organized my videos to use it effectively. First, I write out the script on Google Drive. I then open Google Drive on my phone and copy that script that I've created. Then I open up the app, Teleprompter Lite, and I start a new script. I paste the script from Google Drive, and it is almost ready. I usually have to put in some spaces because it doesn't have them in there, and I manually have to put them in between the paragraphs, so it doesn't sound like I'm a speed reader. Now, when you start reading, you can actually choose the speed that you would like the words to scroll. Before you tape your videos, I highly suggest that you practice the whole thing to make sure that it is scrolling at the right speed for you. Otherwise, you're going to sound like a kid that is hyped up on sugar and you have no idea how to stop. You start missing some words, you ad-lib, and you get thrown into this state of confusion. And then you finish the video and you're like, what just happened there? Or you sound like you're reading so slow that you bore people to death. And when this happens, they switch off your video and they watch the next cat video that will make them laugh. Okay, I hope that when I was talking just now, you didn't just do that. Stay focused, people. All right, the placement of your teleprompter is crucial because if you place your phone too low or too high or in a completely different position from your webcam, you may sound great, but you're not looking at the camera. And my husband created a stand for me where I could place my webcam and I could place my phone so they were really close to each other. So he got to the point where he measured where I sit in my office chair to where my eyes look to make sure it was even. Now, I know that some of you are thinking, but Joanne, I don't have one of those stands, so I can't use my phone as a teleprompter. Well, guess what? Next week, we're going to show you how to make the stand, and one lucky winner is going to get to use it for their very own videos. Now, what I like about it is that it can stay on my desk, and it's ready to go for whenever I shoot my next video. I don't have to spend a ton of time setting things up. I can turn my camera on at any time and start recording. And what do I record with? Zoom. I just enter a room and hit record. My green screen is already up and set to go. So, how can you win one of these stands? Well, it all starts with your comments. Share what you think about this setup or the setup that you currently have and why it works great. Or share why you'd like to win it. I'm going to be announcing the winner next week, so good luck. Now, Teleprompter Lite is my favorite app for creating my scripts. Give it a go and tell me what you think. Thanks for joining me. My name's Joanne Kaminsky, and here's till next time.